LNG 130. Back in 2008, we had LNGs of 92,000 deadweight. Now these are of 135,000 deadweight. That means that the capacity has grown 45% approx. So the wages back in 2008, the captain or chief engineer was 4,300 euros on off. That means total included was 8,600. It was 71 days on off euros. The advantage of the Spanish flag in order to retain the talent is four. Now, one, I think it's the biggest one. No other flag has this huge competitive advantage. It means that one day employed for an LNG, you have 2 days for pension, right? The ratio is 50%, we, the shore people, and then if I am 50 years working, an LNG officer just needs to have 25 to accrue the same pension 100%. So they cannot retire 55 years of age, right? Then that's the biggest, I believe. We have 50% income tax. So a master, which then was 8,600 times 6, now today would be something like 7K, 14K times 6 has 50% reduction in income tax. It's huge. Now, so if you have a bracket of 100K, you are paying over 50. That is 50K. That's huge because 100K is something like 50% depending the province, and then 50% is like 50,000 is like not 50%, is like 18%. So it's a huge grant. Then employer, ship owner has a 90% social security grant. That means that instead of 28% pays 2.8. It's huge. Plus profit tax, but profit tax, okay, is 90%. But the main thing is that ships are trading around Spain. The perpetual trade of LNG will be around Spain because it's the peninsula, is the appendix of Europe. Therefore, the trade will be around Spain. So if we cut transport, ESG, corporate social responsibility, then imagine that's another 10% of the LNG budget. So please contact us. My plan is to deal direct with you, dear ship owner, for a fleet of 20 LNGs, 135,000 tons. Let's pay 20% more and just draw all those, let's say 300 LNG, 5 years experience in rank. Isn't that a good idea? Contact me and I will do a project management for your company for about $50,000. Thank you, bye. Then you can have 25 years talent retention and stability. Thank you.